Wonderful sixth grade parents. We are starting off this year a little bit differently. So, this is an introduction and a little bit of a presentation based on a virtual back to school night. So, I'm going to send out this actual PowerPoint, or this one's Google Slides presentation, and wanted to introduce myself as well. Okay, my name is Mrs. Jenny Atkinson. I've been teaching at 12 Bridges Middle School for this is my 13th year. And I love teaching math. I love being with your students. This virtual piece is different and unusual, but we are getting it done, and we have plans to be very, very successful. Wanted to go over a couple things with you of just how your child can be successful, where to find things, and how to reach out to me. So when I send out this presentation, there will be a little bit about me. Okay, my 13th year at TBMS. Okay, my 22nd year teaching overall. And I do live locally. I have a son in high school and a daughter who got married last year, and now I have an extra son as well. Uh, so that's just a little bit about me. You'll hear a little bit more throughout the year. Okay. Our routine as we know it so far is included in my presentation. But just to let you know, it's very much like how we're doing this back to school night. Students will start with a video and some notes, kind of like the presentation you're receiving. Then they'll have the opportunity to come into class in a Google Meet and ask questions. Even when we're back live in class, this is very much how things are going to continue, so we can keep things balanced for our distance learners and our in-person learners, as well as be flexible if we have to change. So that is our routine as we know it so far. Now, the big thing that I really wanted to talk to sixth grade families about is how can you help your child? Okay, most of them are very common. You've heard them from teachers for years. Provide a consistent time and place. Encourage them to try. Allow them to struggle. Okay, not struggle to the point of tears, but struggle to the point of looking and using their resources. When they ask you a question, ask to see their notebook. Ask to see the video that they watched. Ask to see things, and this will get them in the habit of searching out their own solutions and really coming up with very specific questions. Okay, and then check on them. Trust but verify. Now, I wanted to give you a quick overview of our Schoology page. This is how your students access almost everything. So here's our first period Schoology page. Every day that we are in school, you will see a little calendar icon. And on that calendar, if you click on it, it will have our Google Meet code. This one will be added in a second. The kids have been getting into Google Meet fantastically. I don't have concerns there. And it'll have a link to our weekly agenda. Okay, so if I clicked on this link, it would come up to this document. Okay, this is the one for sixth grade, or for eighth grade, so I'll switch to sixth. Now, every single day it's going to give them things to do, some resources. Okay, the resources are always going to be on the right. And one of the wonderful sixth grade students gave me the idea yesterday of adding a star next to all the things that they need to do to make it easier for them to find. That was a wonderful addition to our class. So you can look through these assignments. Any live links are going to be blue and underlined. Anywhere I need them to do something on Schoology, I'm going to highlight that. Okay, and that's going to make their week hopefully very, very understandable. They can focus. Now, if we go back to our Schoology page, you can also see upcoming things that are due. Okay, the student can see their grades. You as a parent can see their grades. I don't have a parent view to show you. There are also some very important links. Savvis Realize, I put a link right at the top. Okay. Links to weekly agendas. As we go, if somebody needs to go back to something, there's a link there. Okay, our TBMS spell schedule. This will eventually move to forms and references, but I wanted it easy to access at the beginning. Math notebook. This is where any handouts for our math notebook are going to go. Okay. And then instructional and helpful videos by topic. That's going to go there go here. So far, it doesn't have anything, but I will be adding topic 1 over this coming weekend. Okay. There's also access to a digital version of our textbook. If you click here, over the summer, I scanned every page of our textbook. And so you can click topic 1 and see our whole textbook, or all of topic 1, all of topic 2. That is there for students and for families. Okay, and so if you click through, you really can't mess anything up by clicking through and exploring all of these items. Helps and links for basic skills. Maybe your student is struggling with rounding and place value. That's very common in 6th grade. If you clicked on this, you would get some resources to help them remember and maybe practice. Okay. So I wanted to just introduce myself, give some information about what we're doing, and let you know that this will be going out to you, as well as a back to school night in a virtual way that will allow a question and answer period for each class period. Have a great day.